I hope you have practiced the BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. And I told you one thing, that basic proportionality theorem is very, very important. Either the theorem sometimes comes or it will come the application of that theorem. So you have to be careful for that, okay? So please practice, it is not so tough, okay? Once again, just before I start the next one, that is exercise related to application of this one, just I will explain once again so that those who have a confusion, you can check once again, okay? So see what I told, actually I use three things. One, that class 9 theorem, that a line passing through the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and half of the third side. Next it was that area of a triangle equal to half into base into altitude. And last one was that triangles stand on the same base and within the same pair of parallel lines. Within a same pair of parallel lines, then the area of the triangles are equal. Now here you see first of all you see ADE or AED, it is same, but two times both the time we have taken different way. One time we have taken ADE, another time we have taken AED. Why it is taken different? Because you have to remember, whenever we are taking out the area of a triangle, then the altitude is coming from the vertex, not from the base. So if we take the triangle AED, then E will be the vertex, and that means EN will be the altitude. And similarly, if we take ADE, then DM will be the altitude. So that's the reason. But ultimately, one thing you see, whether you are taking AED or ADE, it is same thing. It is same. There is no change. Is there any change? There is no change. See, 1, 1, 1 or 1 to 1. From this side also 1 to 1. From this side also 1 to 1. There is no change. Same way, this one you see, whether you are taking this way or this way, ultimate area of the triangle remains same. There is no change. Okay, so this is that first thing. And next you see that according to this theorem, that BPT, basic proportionality theorem, the DE is given parallel to BC. And you have to prove that AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Now, to prove that, we have to take out the area of the triangle. So first of all, we have taken out the area of the triangle AED. Then half into EN into AD. And then next, AD, area of triangle ADE, the equal to half into DM into AE. Half into DM into AE. Next, I told you another thing. In obtuse angle triangle, the altitude will be outside the triangle. Altitude will be outside the triangle. See, this is the altitude. Okay. So, area of triangle BDE, if we see, then it is half into EN into DB. And area of triangle CED, then half into DM into EC. Okay, clear? Now, next one you see, these two triangles, that is triangle BDC and triangle CED stand on same base DE. D and E same base D and E. And DE already given parallel to BC. That means area of triangle BDE will be equal to area of triangle CED. If they are equal, suppose if A equal to B, that means their reciprocal will be also equal. 1 by A equal to 1 by B. So yesterday, that is in my last video, I have done that area of triangle BDE equal to area of triangle CED. Now by this property, what we can write, 1 by area of triangle BDE equal to 1 by area of triangle CED, and then you multiply both sides by triangle ADE, because ultimately it is same. So now you see, if you multiply both sides by same, then there will be no change. There will be no change. So we will get. Then what we will get? You see, half N into AD divided by half DB into En. Half of cancel, En cancel, so AD by DB. And next you see equal to half dm into AE divided by half dm into EC. So half cancel, dm cancel, so AE by EC. Okay, this is the one. Now, yesterday I have given the properties of the similarities of triangles. Okay, so we got that if two triangles are similar, suppose triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, then AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to CA by RP equal to what is that? Equal to, you see, equal to AB plus BC plus CA PQ plus QR plus RP. Now can you tell me what is that? If it is this, then AB plus BC plus CA of a triangle, that is nothing but perimeter of a triangle ABC and perimeter of triangle PQR. So remember, the ratio of the sides of the proportional equal to a ratio of their perimeter, ratio of their perimeter. So this one you remember, because sometimes it will be needed. Okay. So now let's see application of BPT theorem. Application of BPT theorem. Already I have written exercise 6.2. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Now, see, one thing you see, question number 1, Roman 1. It is given AD DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. 1, Roman 1. DE parallel to BC. Then what is that? What do you have to get? You have to get AD. Find EC and AD. EC in 1. So you write AD by DB equal to A by EC. AB by EC. This is by what? By BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Okay. Then 1.5 by 3 equal to 1 by BC. EC. 1.5 by 3 equal to 1 by EC. Implies 1, 2. So EC equal to 2 centimeter. So therefore EC equal to 2 centimeter. Clear? Now similarly, question number 2 Roman 1 you see. 2 Roman 1. Now you see 2 Roman 1. 2 Roman 1, what is given? See, PQR, EF are the points on the side PQ and PR respectively of PQR. So first of all, you draw the triangle. PQR. Okay, then what is given? The E and F are the points on the side PQ and PR. So E, F. Remember, diagram is the most important. EF. Then EF parallel to Q are given. EF parallel to Q are given. Okay. Then you see Then since EF parallel to QR, then what will happen? PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. Yes or not? Then what is there? P is there, EQ is there, PF is there, and FR is also there. That means you have to check whether they are equal or not. If they are equal, then only it will be proportional. That means parallel, otherwise not. So PE by EQ equal to what? What is that? 3.9 by 3. 3.9 by 3 equal to what? 1.3 by 1, that means 13 by 10. Decimal came down. Then PF by FR equal to what do you see? 3.6 by 2.4. 3.6 by 2.4. So if you cancel, then it is 3, it is 2. So it is 3 by 2. That means it is not equal. If it is not equal, implies EF not parallel to QR. EF not parallel to QR. EF not parallel to QR. Clear? So this is the way you have to check whether it is parallel or not. Whether it is parallel or not. Okay. You can write down this way also. I think better you write down this way. Not parallel. Okay. So this is gone. Now let's see question number 3. Question number 3. Okay. So 2 things I have done. So please be careful. Okay. You have to check for the proportional that they are equal proportional or not. If they are equal proportion, then only parallel. If they are parallel, then they will be in equal proportion. That means simultaneously both has to take place at a time. Otherwise, not possible. Okay. Now let's see that 6.18. 6.18. So if I draw the diagram, you see. Then what is that? M, L, N, B, C, D, F. This one is given. Okay. Now what you have to do? It is given that LM parallel to BC. If LM parallel to BC, then what will happen? AM by MB equal to AL by LC. This is equation number 1. Next you see, if LN parallel to CD, then what will happen? AN by ND equal to AL by LC. Yes or not? Now what do you have to do? AM by AB equal to AN by AD given. You know? So first of all, you see from these two, what will you get? From these two, you will get that AM by MB equal to AN by MD using 1 and 2. Okay, then you see one thing, just you do this way, MB by AM equal to ND by AM. What is the rule? Rule is invertendo, that means by inverse property. If A equal to B, we can write 1 by A equal to 1 by B. So invertendo means inverse property. Okay, now BM or MB, whatever actually you have started with, that one you have to continue. Okay, BMB by plus AM divided by AM, then what is that? ND plus AN by AN. Now, can you identify what is the property? Property actually it is in the proportional chapter. It is the property of componendo. Componendo. It is the property of componendo. Then if you add, what will you get? Now you see. What will you get? After this part, here only. So what will you get? MB plus AM. MB plus AM. MB plus AM. What is that? AB. AB by AM. Equal to AN by plus ND. What is that? AD by AN. What do you have to prove? You have to prove that AM by AB equal to AN by AD. So you just once again invertendo. AM by AB equal to AN by AD. So this is known as invertendo. So what are the properties we have used? First invertendo we have used. Next we have used the componendo. Componendo means what? Suppose A by B equal to C by D, then it will be A plus B by B equal to C plus D by D. This is known as componendo. If you subtract, then it will be dividendo. If you subtract, then it will be dividendo. So we have used here componendo. After componendo, we got AB. MB plus AM equal to AB, and AN plus ND equal to nothing but AD. And then once again you have used the invertendo. Okay, so these are the few questions I have done. So please do, because 2, 3, 5, 4, 5 also can you can try. 4, 5, 6 you can try, and then I will see you in the next class. Okay, till then, bye bye.